Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. I'm here with Scott Walton. This is the owner of this Passat here. He is the proud owner of this car. It has 510,000 miles on it. It's a TSI engine, not a TDI. Take a look at that. Take a listen. 510,000 miles on this car. And if you don't believe me, we'll go look at the odometer. There's a look at the odometer right there. 510, 718 on this car. This car drives 10,000 miles a month. 10,000 miles a month. He's in for maintenance every 5 weeks. He's well over the 10-year, 200,000 mile engine and powertrain warranty. Twice. And this car is still running. Original LEDs, original fog lights, original seats. Everything on this car is still original. The turbo was replaced at 494,000 miles, so it was just replaced. If you guys have any questions about the longevity of your car, let this put it to rest. If you guys are interested in a car, remember, give me a call, 636-290-4257. Say hi to Scott. You'll see him on the roads. Make sure you honk at him. Georgia fan right there. Georgia dogs. Go dogs.